Hello, my friend! It is so wonderful to always have you back. Without further ado, let's jump into our next journey. Welcome to the streets of Thanh Hoa City, Vietnam. How do you say magnifique? When you first arrive, you notice something immediately. The calm. Yes, this is Vietnam, but at certain times of the day, the traffic, it behaves. In the early morning, the streets feel almost poetic. The motorbikes pass gently, like they are dancing, not racing. It is, how you say, civilized chaos, but sometimes even just civilized. And the streets, so clean. You walk along and you think, Mon Dieu, who polished this road? The sidewalks are neat. The air feels fresh and everything looks cared for. It is not just a city, it is a city with pride. Then you see the parks. The parks. Beautiful green spaces where people gather, where children laugh, where all the couples walk slowly like they are in a romantic movie. The trees stand tall, giving shade from the warm Vietnamese sun. Birds sing, people smile. Even the benches look inviting, like they are saying, please sit, enjoy life. And the people? Oh, the people are kind. You make eye contact and boom, a smile. You look confused with your phone map and someone is ready to help you. Warm, welcoming, generous. It is impossible not to feel at home. In the evening, when the sun begins to set, the city glows softly. The lights reflect on the clean streets and everything feels peaceful, almost dreamy. Thanh Hoa City is not loud in the soul. It is calm, it is charming, it is beautiful in a quiet way. And honestly, you walk these streets and you think, maybe life is not meant to be rushed. Thanh Hoa, you have my heart. End of our journey vlog. If you're new here, please subscribe for new discoveries.